Have you ever noticed your knees creaking when you stand up, or your knuckles popping when you stretch? It can certainly be a bit startling, and many people wonder what causes these sounds. The good news is that for most people, those cracking noises your joints make are entirely normal and harmless. This common phenomenon is known as crepitus, which is the sound or sensation of creaking, cracking, grating, or popping in a joint. Unless it is accompanied by pain, swelling, or a loss of movement, it is typically not a cause for concern. The primary reason your joints crack is due to tiny gas bubbles forming and then collapsing within your synovial fluid. This fluid acts as a natural lubricant, cushioning your joints and allowing smooth movement. Within this fluid are dissolved gases like oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide. When you stretch or bend a joint, you change the pressure within it, which can cause these dissolved gases to rapidly form bubbles. The cracking or popping sound you hear is often these bubbles quickly collapsing. It is not usually caused by bones grinding together or cartilage wearing down, especially if there is no pain involved. So, how can you tell if your joint sounds are harmless or if they need attention? The key is to listen to your body. If you hear a pop or crack and feel no pain, swelling, or restriction in your range of motion, then it is most likely just those gas bubbles at work. These benign noises do not mean you are developing arthritis, nor do they indicate joint damage. However, if the cracking is consistently accompanied by pain, tenderness, persistent swelling, warmth, or a feeling of catching or locking, it is always a good idea to consult a healthcare professional. Many people wonder if cracking knuckles leads to arthritis, but scientific research has consistently shown this is a myth. While it is true that some joint sounds, particularly those that feel more like a grating sensation, can be associated with conditions like osteoarthritis, the absence of pain or other symptoms means it is likely just the natural mechanics of your body at work. Your joints have an amazing ability to produce these sounds, and it is a common experience for people of all ages. Ultimately, an occasional joint pop or crack is a common and often benign part of human movement. Knowing the difference between a normal joint sound and one that warrants medical advice empowers you to manage your joint health proactively. If a cracking sound concerns you, or if it comes with any discomfort, remember that talking to a doctor is always the best step to ensure your joints remain healthy and happy.